Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of research with a powerful AI tool called Perplexity AI. Whether you're a student, professional, or just curious, this tool can help you conduct high-quality research in no time. Let's explore how to get started and make the most out of Perplexity AI. Getting started is easy. Follow these steps. Open your browser and go to www.perplexity.ai. You can start using the tool right away, but for a more personalized experience, sign up for a free account. Once you're in, you'll see a clean, minimal interface that's super easy to use. Now, let's ask our first question. For example, what are the main causes of climate change? Simply type your question into the search bar and hit Enter. Within seconds, Perplexity AI provides a concise, clear answer along with references to reliable sources. Perplexity AI doesn't just give you answers, it enhances your research with advanced features. Here's how. Each answer comes with citations. Click on any source to verify the information or dive deeper. You can continue the conversation by asking related questions without starting from scratch. For instance, first question, what are the causes of climate change? Follow up, how does deforestation contribute to climate change? Narrow your search by specifying a time frame or source type, like academic journals or news articles. Within seconds, Perplexity AI provides a concise, clear answer along with references to reliable sources. Let's see how Perplexity AI can be used for different types of research. Ask for summaries of complex topics or references for your essays and papers. Example, explain quantum computing in simple terms with academic references. And within seconds, Perplexity AI provides a concise, clear answer along with references to reliable sources. Use it to gather market insights, trends, or competitor analysis. Example, what are the latest trends in renewable energy in 2025? And theirs are your perfect result to get market insights, trends, or competitor analysis for quick, reliable answers to personal questions. Example, what's the best way to prepare for a job interview? And you get proper, reliable answers to personal questions. Here are some advanced tricks to get even better results. Avoid vague queries like, tell me about AI. Instead, ask, what are the practical applications of AI in healthcare in 2025? When researching a topic in depth, ask Perplexity to summarize or compare information. Example, compare the economic policies of the USA and China in 2023. Within seconds, Perplexity AI provides a concise, clear summarize or compare information. One standout feature of Perplexity AI is the focus mode. This allows you to streamline your research by narrowing down on specific topics without distractions. Here's how to use it. When you type in a query, click on the focus option in the results section. This keeps the AI locked into the topic you're researching, letting you ask related follow-up questions seamlessly. If you want to take your research to the next level, consider upgrading to Perplexity Pro. Focus mode and Pro features truly elevate Perplexity AI into a research powerhouse. If you're serious about making the most of this tool, these options are worth exploring. And that's how you can master Perplexity AI for research. It's an incredible tool to make your work faster, smarter, and more efficient. Just remember to be clear with your questions and explore the advanced features to get the best results. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks. Got questions or suggestions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.